So today we're in Pemba doing free medical camp. This is for today is 25th patient. Yesterday we had 25. And so this machine, we would like to thank Green Medical based in Japan for donating this machine to be helped with those who cannot afford. We are in Pemba, in an island where there's no cardiologist. So I came to do for a voluntary. Without this machine, my work wouldn't have been possible. So thanks very much, Green Medical, for donating this machine. Green Medical Japan. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.